This simple sentence can change your English and your energy.
Now let's do a short gratitude practice. When you are grateful, you attract more to be grateful for.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Lanka English Language Training Academy.
Today, we are learning one of the most powerful tools in English and in life. It is the language of gratitude.
Gratitude means being thankful for the good things in your life.
And our sentence pattern today is, I am grateful for.
This simple sentence can change your English and your energy.
In the law of attraction, gratitude is very powerful. Why? Because when you are grateful, you focus on the good things. And when you focus on good things, you attract more good things into your life. Gratitude opens your mind. Gratitude opens your heart. And gratitude opens the door to success. Let's learn some useful words for today. Family, the people close to you. Health, your body and mind. Time, the hours in your day. Teacher, the person who helps you learn. Opportunity, a chance to do something good. Repeat after me. Family. Health. Time. Teacher. Opportunity. Great! Now, let's build sentences. I am grateful for plus noun. Examples. I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for my health. I am grateful for my time. I am grateful for my teacher. I am grateful for every opportunity. Repeat after me slowly. I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for my health. I am grateful for my time. I am grateful for my teacher. I am grateful for every opportunity. Wonderful! Now let's say some more sentences together. Repeat after me. I am grateful for this new day. I am grateful for the chance to learn English. I am grateful for the people who support me. I am grateful for the small things in my life. I am grateful for the big dreams I have. Excellent! Now let's do a short gratitude practice. You can close your eyes if you want. Take a deep breath and repeat after me. I am grateful for my life. I am grateful for my journey. I am grateful for my strength. I am grateful for my English learning. I am grateful for every good moment today. I am grateful for the future I am creating. Beautiful. Your words create your energy, and your energy creates your life. Now it's your time to speak. Think of 3 things you are grateful for. Use the pattern, I am grateful for.
Very good. You did an amazing job today.
Remember, gratitude is the most powerful law of attraction tool. When you are grateful, you attract more to be grateful for.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share and subscribe to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. And comment below, what are you grateful for today?
I will see you in the next lesson. Stay positive, stay grateful.